Imagine a planet made of pure diamond. It might sound like science fiction, but the universe is stranger than fiction. Scientists believe these dazzling worlds might exist. These planets are not typical rocky planets. They are made mostly of pure, crystallized carbon, compressed under immense pressure, forming a giant diamond structure, enough to make any jewel thief drool. The idea of diamond planets is relatively new. It came about as scientists understood more about the life cycle of stars and the extreme conditions in space. The universe is full of surprises. Diamond planets are a perfect example. They show us that even in the most extreme environments, the cosmos can create objects of incredible beauty and value. Let's dive deeper into these fascinating worlds and see what secrets they hold. So, how do these cosmic diamonds form? It all starts with stars. Specifically, it starts with stars that are much bigger and hotter than our own sun. These massive stars burn through their fuel quickly. This leads to a spectacular supernova explosion. During this explosion, the star's core collapses in on itself. This forms an incredibly dense object called a neutron star. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes these neutron stars are left with a companion star, a star that orbits it closely. If this companion star is carbon-rich, it can be slowly stripped of its outer layers. This material then falls onto the surface of the neutron star. The intense gravity and pressure of the neutron star are key. These forces compress the carbon atoms together. Over billions of years, this compressed carbon crystallizes. And what do you get when you crystallize carbon under extreme pressure? You guessed it, diamonds. It's a cosmic recipe for sparkle. Of course, the conditions have to be just right, but the universe is a big place, and astronomers believe that such diamond planets might be more common than we think. Okay, let's get to the good stuff. What would a diamond planet actually look like? Well, it's safe to say that they wouldn't be your average celestial objects. Imagine a planet that glitters and sparkles like a giant gemstone. The surface would likely be incredibly smooth and reflective. Light from nearby stars would bounce off the diamond's surface. This would create dazzling prismatic effects. The color of a diamond planet would depend on its composition. Pure carbon diamonds are typically clear or bluish-white, but impurities could introduce other colors. Imagine a planet shimmering with hues of pink, yellow, or even green. Of course, we're talking about planets here, not polished gemstones. So, there would likely be geological features. Think towering diamond mountains and vast, glittering canyons. It would be a sight unlike anything else in the universe. The thought of such breathtaking beauty is enough to make any astronomer reach for their telescope. The universe never ceases to amaze us with its wonders. Diamond planets aren't just pretty faces, they also hold immense scientific value. Studying these unique objects could provide us with crucial insights into the universe and its workings. Firstly, they offer a glimpse into the extreme conditions present in the cosmos. The intense pressure and heat needed to form diamond planets are hard to replicate in laboratories. By studying these planets, we can learn more about the fundamental laws of physics and chemistry that govern our universe. Secondly, diamond planets could help us understand the evolution of stars and planetary systems. The presence, composition, and orbit of a diamond planet can tell us a lot about the history of its host star and the events that led to its formation. Finally, these planets could even shed light on the potential for life beyond Earth. While diamond planets themselves are unlikely to harbor life as we know it, their study could provide clues about the conditions necessary for life to arise in other parts of the universe. So, while the prospect of finding a planet made of sparkling diamonds is certainly exciting, the true value of these celestial objects lies in their potential to unlock some of the universe's greatest mysteries.